Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will discuss about shape attribute of DataFrame in Pandas. Subsequently, let us see how to retrieve rows and columns of DataFrame by using shape attribute dimensions. This is the structure of data. Press F5. This is the DataFrame structure. If you want to find the shape, print df.shape. This tuple denotes about the shape. First one represents to rows count and second one represents to columns count. Means this shape consists of 6 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows and 5 columns. Next I am creating a variable which is named as data and storing the values of shape. Now dimensions of shape stored in data variable. Now I created two variables, rows count and columns count. First element of shape considers rows count and second element of shape considers columns count. Let us see. Press F5. This is the shape output. Here first element considers rows count and second element considers columns count. Now let us retrieve the same result in single step. Here directly I am allocating first element of shape to the rows count and second element to the columns count. Let us see. Press F5. This is the output. Now let us see how to loop the data frame. Here I am using two for loops. First one is for rows and second one is for columns. Max value of the loop considered as first element of shape. Max value of the column considers second element of the shape. To print the elements of data frame, I am using index allocation method. This method requires two numbers. First one is for row and second one is for column. Now I am printing the data frame. Press F5. Now we can find all the elements of data frame printed. Now I want to print each and every row of data frame. Here I created a list which is named as single row. I am using append method of list and storing the value of data frame element. After completion of each and every loop for columns, I am printing the single row. Let us check once. Press F5. Here we can find each and every row. Make it comment. Press F5. Here we can find all the rows printed. Now I want to append the header to the row. Hence I created one more list which is named as row with header. Here I am adding the value of index by using append method of row with the header list. Press F5. Here we can find list with values and list with index. And my next step is I want to combine these two lists. Here I am using extend method of list, which is used to extend the first list with second list values. Here I considered single row as second list, row with the header is first list. Here I am printing the list after combining with the header. Press F5. This is the final output. Here we can find each and every row of data frame stored in a list. These are 6 individual lists. Now I want to store all these individual lists in a single list. Here I created one more list, total rows. I am using append method of total rows list. Press F5. Now all the individual lists stored in single list. Instead of list, if we want to store in form of tuple, here we can use tuple object. Let us see. Press F5. Previously it is stored in list. Now it is stored in tuple. In this way we can change the structure as per our requirement. Till this time we printed all the rows of data frame. So instead of printing all the rows, I want to restrict the maximum number of rows as per my requirement. So here I want to print first 2 rows. I am using if condition. If r is equal to greater than or equal to 2, break the loop. Here we can find only first 2 rows printed. Likewise, we can print as per our requirement by adding if condition. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.